everyone. So it's a beautiful day out here today. So I am trying to get as much planted as I can in the ground. So what you have here, you have some pepper plants that we have hardened off. I let them stay outside overnight for the last couple of nights, and so now I'm putting them in the ground. If you notice, I've already put 3 in the ground, and what I'm doing today is pinching off or pruning the pepper plant back. And so I started doing that, and I say, you know what, let me make a quick video about it. So if you do this method, let me know in the comments below. But I've started doing it maybe like 3 years now, and the purpose of pinching off or pruning your pepper plants because it creates a bushier plant, sturdier stem, and more peppers in the long run. Now when you do it, you're going to look at it and you're not going to want to do it. You're going to think you're going to harm the plant. But I will tell you guys, when I first did this, I was really scared. So what I did was I did half of my pepper plants. I pinched them off, and then the other half I didn't. And I'm going to try to flash a picture of the sweet peppers that we did last season. Like, they would not stop, and that was from me pinching off. Now I did buy a couple of starts from the store that were a little bit bigger, so I didn't do those, and we still got some nice peppers too. But I have noticed that by me doing this, it does create a very sturdy stem, in my opinion. So let me take you out to the garden really quick so that I can show you, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how I pinch off the pepper plants. So here is our new ground here. We went ahead, cleaned everything out. This is where the we had different types of greens. I went ahead and I cleared that out, amended my soil, put in a little bit of compost. And so what we have here are the 3 pepper plants that I've already topped off. And as you can see from the other one, the top is missing. And so this is gonna make them bush out a little bit more. And like I said, I do notice a very sturdy stem with these. Now I just put these supports up for now, but we'll see how this variety grows, because this is the mini bell peppers. Now the sweet peppers from last season, I think only like 2, once they start getting real heavy laden with peppers, I did put like a support on there. So I'm just putting this up here now, and then I went ahead and planted a zucchini and a squash plant also. And so I will see how that does. I have some more on standby, because you have to give the zucchini and the squash some room. But last year we had the squash vine borers that really kind of took some things out. So hopefully that won't happen again. So let's go back up and I'll show you how to top off your pepper plants. So I'm trying to get as close as possible so that you can see. So these are the top of our pepper plants where they're kind of branching out. And so all I do is I take this little middle stem. You can pinch it with your hands, but y'all know I love my little snippers here. So all I'm going to do is just come right here, right above this right above this leaf here, and I'm just gonna clip it like that, so that when you look at it, you have this top right here off. So that's all we're doing, is we're pinching and we're topping that off. And you guys, great news, I've started my vermicomposting with the worms. So I'm just going to take the leaves that I snip off right here, and I'm going to put it in there for the worms. So I'm just going to go through each plant and top that off, and then go ahead and put it in the ground, because I've already amended my soil on most of my beds already, and just watch them grow. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted as the pepper plant continues to grow, and then like when we have our garden tours so that you can see. We have more pepper plants to plant, and so I'm just trying to figure out right now, where am I going to put a lot of this stuff. Now, you guys are not going to believe this. My husband actually told me that if I wanted to, I could break some new ground, which means to expand the garden. But I want to do it to where we could still get back and forth here, because sometimes we'll drive the vehicles back here, like if we have something to unload. So I just want to place it where we can still drive back here, and then where it gets the right amount of sun. So let me know in the comments, y'all, if y'all pinch off your pepper plants, and do you notice a difference? Because like I said, I can truly say that I have seen the difference. And if you're scared to do it for the first season, just do half or just do 2 and compare it. That's what I do with a lot of my plants when I want to try something new. I mean, it's all about experimenting, and that's why I plant a little bit more, so that way you can see the results. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.